Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th session of our vocabulary series lectures. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to lay some foundation of words on the basis of which we are going to learn some new words in the subsequent chapters, in the following chapters 15, 16, 17 respectively. So we are going to start with types of liars. कितने तरह के liars हमें दुनिया में देखने को मिलते हैं? What kind of a liar are you? Okay, first, you don't fool even some of the people. Everybody knows how famous you are for lying. You are a notorious liar. You are famous for it. Okay, so you don't fool even some of the people. People already know that you are a notorious liar. They are not going to be surprised if you lie and cheat them out of something or swindle them out of something. So yeah, a notorious liar is a liar who is famous. You can't even fool anybody. Everybody knows how famous you are as a liar. A notorious liar. Then to the highest summit of artistry, that means you are the best form of liar. It's very hard to catch you. Okay, you are sort of a bluff master, so to speak. So a consummate liar, a consummate athlete is an athlete who is at the peak of his performance, who is at the summit of his performance, of his artistry. So a consummate liar is a liar who is very talented, beyond redemption and salvation. So if you come across a liar who cannot be saved, you tell him don't lie, but he just can't stop lying. He cannot be saved, he cannot be redeemed. Redemption means something which can be recovered. Salvation matlab something which saves you. That's salvation. So somebody who is beyond any saving, we know that he is helpless. He is just going to lie again and again. He cannot be corrected. Such a person will be called an incorrigible liar. Then another is too old to learn new tricks. You have habituated the act of lying. You have gotten used to lying so much that it's like a habit for you. You can't stop telling lies. It's like a habit. It's just too old to be given up at any point of life. तो बहुत ही पुरानी आदत. Such a form of a liar is called an inveterate liar. So such a liar is just used to lying because of habit. Then an early start. A person who has been lying from his childhood, such a person will be called a congenital liar. So someone who has been lying since birth. Bachpan se bas, as long as I can remember, he's always been a liar. Ever since he was a kid, he was a liar. So such a person will be called a congenital liar. Then no let up. A person who cannot stop lying. He just can't stop himself. You tell him don't lie. As soon as he leaves the door, he goes outside, he starts lying. Such a person is a chronic liar. A chronic disease is a disease which comes back again and again. So a chronic liar is a liar who lies again and again and again. Cannot stop. There is no let up. When lying becomes a disease, you can't even stop it. It's like a disease. You don't have any control over it. You just lie. You don't even know why you lie. You just lie. Such a person will be called a pathological liar. Lying has become almost like a disease. Then no regrets. A liar who has no conscience. मैं झूठ बोलता हूँ और मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसकी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद होती है या नहीं होती है, किसी की ज़िंदगी संवरती है नहीं संवरती है. I don't care. I have no conscience when it comes to my lying. I have no moral code. I don't, hold any rules when it comes to lying. I say, I will lie because I like lying. I don't care what happens to the person on the other end. Such a person will be called an unconscionable liar, a liar who has no conscience. A smooth liar is a glib liar. But always remember, glib means someone who doesn't have depth. So he is very impressive on the surface. On the surface, you will find that, oh my God, he's so smooth. But if you inquire deeply, you will find that there's not depth in their conversation. So a glib liar is a smooth liar. He can really pull you in the bottle. So a smooth talker. Finally, outstanding. Your lies are so bad, so outstanding, that it's almost unbelievable when you lie. The degree of your lies are so horrific that it's almost appalling, outstanding, that the degree of lies that you concoct. So a egregious liar is a liar whose lying almost surprises you because of how bad it is, how horrible it is. So an egregious liar is a liar whose lies are so bad that it's almost like outstanding. It's so bad. Outstandingly bad. Okay, so such a liar is called an egregious liar. Look, all of these words, read them, make sure that you memorize them. We are going to use them in the subsequent chapters. Okay, see you in the next one. Thank you.